Hi, what do you want to learn about today?
Interior design.
I'm creating a knowledge portal for you. One moment. Of interior design or use of the title interior designer take place. Yet the interior design, the profession of interior design, as we know it today, is guided by all the points noted by.
Hello everybody, my name is Jennifer Davenport. I'm an interior designer and I own a home decor store. In this video, I'm going to share with you what are the
I'm your AI guide. You can ask me anything.
Can you tell me how to identify the elements and principles of interior design?
Give me a moment to organize my thoughts. The elements of interior design are line, form, color, pattern, texture, and light. The principles of interior design are balance, rhythm, harmony, proportion, scale, and focal point.
Can you help me understand the role of color and texture in interior design?
I'll do my best to find out. Color and texture are important elements in interior design because they can be used to create a certain mood or feeling in a space. For example, using warm colors and textures can make a space feel cozy and inviting, while using cool colors and textures can make a space feel refreshing and calming.
Can you help me understand how to create a design plan for a space?
Hang on, I'm compiling a response to your question. When creating a design plan for a space, you will need to consider the function of the space, the aesthetic you are going for, and your budget. You will also need to take measurements of the space and create a floor plan. Once you have all of this information, you can start to piece together your design plan.
Hi! In this lesson, I'll be introducing the basic element of design and the principle of design, which includes shape, color, emphasis, rhythm, and harmony. You can discuss with your friends on these elements and principles after reading the PDF file document which is assigned to this lesson. You can tour around this interior modern design, look at the color concept of this living room. You can walk around and explore the level 2 of this modern interior design.